Intro to AI for Absolute Beginners. To go through this program, you don't need to know anything about computers. You don't need to know anything about AI. You really don't need to know anything. You just need to know how to describe what you want in plain language. And if you mess up, you can do it again. What we're going to do today is we're going to describe a website, and we're going to build the website from scratch just by talking about the website. We're going to use a free version of ChatGPT and a free version of a website builder called Neocities. So let's get started. Please code a simple web page for a video gallery. The gallery should be a 3x3 grid with minimal, elegant design. The videos are a portfolio for Clarence Bradley, creative leader, and they're hosted on Vimeo. I don't know a lot about code, so please make the whole thing in a single block of code I can copy and paste into Neocities. When a visitor clicks on one of the thumbnails, it should pop open a modal window in the middle of the page. Each thumbnail should have the client name below it on the left, and the entire grid should have Clarence's name and title on the top left. Can the thumbnails be pulled from the Vimeo file? So the same video ID is used for the video and the thumbnail. Okay, it went through and fixed that in 2 seconds. Wow, that's perfect. But can you make the 3x3 grid and put 12 video placeholders in the text? Okay, not a lot there, just I don't want to do any of the work. So it's going to go through, and now you see client 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Perfect. That's great. There's a copy icon over here on the top right. Let's click that. Make sure we grab it. Now we're going to jump over into Neocities and just set up a username for what you want your site to be. This is a free site. Neocities is free. You can support them with $5, or you can just go for the free version. Today, we're just going to go for the free version for this. So we're not even going to look at the code. Select all, delete, and then say paste without even reading it. Save it. One Mississippi. Okay. Now go back and refresh your website. Boom. Look at that. You've already got a video portfolio ready to go. I really want it centered. I didn't specify that, but I don't want to get into the code again. Let's just go back over to ChatGPT and let's ask it to do that. Now look at that. There you go. Go over to Vimeo, and it said, look in the URL. Yeah, there's a 9-digit number there. We'll copy that. Let's see what happens. So let's go back into Neocities and just paste this. This is as much code as you ever have to know. It's just find things and copy and paste. Save it, hit refresh. Hey, there's the thumbnail. Perfect. And you click that, there's the video, and yeah, the video is already playing. So without doing any code, you've already built an entire portfolio. The only thing left to do is fill in the other 8 video Vimeo IDs. I'm going to speed up the video. Look at that. We're finished. Without speeding up, that took about 26 minutes. That's it. Like, there's not a lot to it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through and I'm going to QA, do quality assurance, literally just QA and check every video from the last one back to the first one. I'm going to make sure that the video is playing. I'm going to make sure that the thumbnail matches the video and everything works. So Clarence, thank you very much for letting me use your work to show this off. Again, we just used Neocities, free website. Go to neocities.org. We're using Vimeo. We're just grabbing the URL, the ID out of the URL and pasting it. And then we're using a free version of ChatGPT, and all you have to do is describe in English what you want it to do. Again, my name is Jeremy Conescu. I'm the managing director of Maslow Murphy. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you got something out of this. And let's connect. Let me know how I can help you, and I'll leave a link in the URL for you to see this and other videos about how to use AI. This has been Intro to AI for Absolute Beginners, where you don't have to know anything at all to get started. See you next time.